So welcome to the sixth day, even though we actually published a community post there that in the fifth day we could not publish a video. So that was basically due to my over workload yesterday. So that was basically for a particular reason that I'm going to basically describe now. So I tried to take the full course of Git and GitHub. So yesterday night, full night, actually I tried to spend all with Git and GitHub. So I tried to learn all these things. So that was a basically thing, I have actually note down all the things right here. So about 7 pages. So if you want, so I can also provide you with the PDF for this particular course. And this course was basically brought by NetNinja. So if you basically search on YouTube NetNinja GitHub full course, you will get it ultimately. And that was basically a concise and very compact course that you can take. So I know I'm pretty much sure that you will find better course than that. But if you want to do in basically short amount of time, and if you don't want to search around that much, then you can definitely take that. So I tried to finish all the things that were included in that particular Git and GitHub course, so you can also check out that. So I tried to learn from the very basic introduction, like what is Git, what does it do, and how does it do, and what can it do. So how can we basically control our workflow in the GitHub, and how can we basically manage our projects, particularly in there, if we're in a team where we have to work for a remote based. So that is an important thing. Git actually is used by 95% or maybe 90% of the developers for their projects. So that is very much important. So I try to give concentration on Git and GitHub. So the second thing today, actually, that is starting from today. So I tried to solve a problem from LeetCode. The problem name was basically removing elements. So basically the idea of that problem is that, let's say you have an array. So 1 and 1 is here. So 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can put a number in that particular array not more than 2 times. So you can maximum put that number for 2 times. So 1 and 1, so it will be 1 1, and 2 2, so 2 2, and 3 3. If there were 3 3 3, then you have to say like 3 3, and then 5 6. So you have to implement it using code. So I have also tried that, and finally I got the efficient code, which is basically efficient both for time and for space complexity. So I'll also providing you with the JPG image or PDF for that particular thing. So that's the second thing. And then I tried to learn some machine learning stuff that I started with. So for the machine learning specialization course, I tried to learn today especially that is linear regression for our multivariable features. So it was fun. I tried to implement things with vector, and I talked about vectorization basically yesterday, I mean the first day. So that was pretty cool, and I tried to learn something about mathematical implementation from the neural 9 YouTube video called linear regression in Python. So that was it. And finally that is basically the very basic overview of my 6th day for my 100 days programming challenge. I hope you got the point and you will join me in this particular journey. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.